Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer user roles from Memberstack into Adalo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer user roles from Memberstack into Adalo, you'll first need to ensure you have both accounts set up properly. Start by logging into your Memberstack account. Navigate to the Members section where you can see all your current users. Identify the users whose roles you want to transfer to Adalo. Export this list by selecting the users and choosing the export option. Typically, this will generate a CSV file containing user information, including roles. Once you have the CSV file, log into your Adalo account. Go to the users database within your Adalo application. You'll need to map the exported roles from Memberstack to the user roles in Adalo. Open the CSV file and take note of the specific roles assigned to users. In Adalo, create new user roles as needed to match those from Memberstack. Now, return to the users database in Adalo. For each user, manually input their corresponding role based on your CSV file. If you have many users, consider using the Adalo API for bulk updates to save time. Once you have updated the user roles in Adalo, double-check for accuracy against your CSV. Make sure the roles match the intended permissions and functionalities within your app. After verifying everything, test the user roles to ensure they work as expected. This completes the transfer process from Memberstack to Adalo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.